Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at another interesting exponential equation. We have m to the power 9 plus m to the power 6, which is equals to 86. So now let's get started with the solution. We have we have to write the equation first. We have m power 9 plus m power 6, it will be equals to 86. So now let's try to break down uh, these powers into smaller powers, in which we are going to say m power 3 to the power 3. This one you can say 3 times 3, which is 9, right? Then plus, here we can say m power 2, m power 3, yeah, m power 3, power 2, 3 times 2, which is 6, which is equals to 36. So now here, uh, this is where now you have to let, here we have m power 3 plus m power 3 power 2, which is equals to 86. So now if you can see, we have m power 3 and here m power 3. So here you let m power 3 to be equals to b. So we have to substitute whenever there is m power 3 with the b. So we are going to say b power 3 plus b power 2, it will be equals to 86. If you reach here, you have to make this polynomial equation to be equals to 0, in which it will be b cubed plus b squared. When you subtract 86 both sides, you're going to have minus 86 equals to 0. Now here, 36, we can break this 36 into two parts, in which we can see minus 27 minus 9. This one should be equals to 80 minus 86. So where is 36, we have to substitute with minus 7 minus 1, right? Then here we are going to have b cubed plus b squared, then minus 27 minus 9, which is equals to 0. Now here, if you can see, we have to make 27 and 9 with a common base, in which we are going to get 3 as a common base. So it will be b cubed plus b squared minus 3 power 3, it is 0.7, right? Then minus 3 power 2, it is 9, which is equals to 0. So now if you can see, there are numbers which have got the same power, b power 3 and the 3 power 3. So we are going to group it into the same rectangle, in which it will be b power 3 minus 3 power 3, then plus b squared minus 3 power 2, which is equals to 0. Then here is same as we have, if you have the number which has got the same power, minus a minus b power 3, this one should be equals to a minus b bracket then power 3, because this equation has got the same power. So we're going to say b minus 3 in the bracket, then power 3 plus this one here, it's same as different of two squares, in which we have a minus b squared is equals to a minus b, then a plus b. So we're going to make these terms to be equals to this term here, which it will be b minus c minus 3, then open bracket b plus c 3, which is equals to 0. Then here b minus 3 to the power 3, we can expand it. It will be b minus 3, the bracket b minus 3, b minus 3, then plus b minus 3 in the bracket, then open bracket b plus 3, which is equals to 0. I hope you're following me. Then here, if you can see, we have b minus 3 here and b minus 3 here. So we can factor out, which is b minus 3 in the bracket, then open square bracket, then we have remained with this term here, because we have excluded this one here. So if you say b times b, which is b squared, b times the minus 3, we're going to have minus 3b, then minus 3 times the b, which is minus 3b, then minus 3 times the minus 3, it is positive 9, right? Then close bracket, then plus, because here we have factored out b minus 3, so we have remained with the b plus 3, which is equals to 0, right? Then close square bracket. Then here we can say, we can equate every equation to be equals to 0. So we have to equate this one, b minus 3 to be equals to 0, in which b it will be equals to 3. So this is our first solution here. So now let's move on to this quadratic equation here. Then we need this quadratic equation, we have b squared minus 3b minus 3b, it is minus 6b plus 9. Then here plus c b plus 3, which is equals to 0, right? Then b squared, b minus 6b, we're going to have minus 5b, then 9 plus 3, which is plus 12, which is equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We can solve it using discriminant law, because factorization, we don't have a product concern here, so we can use discriminant law. So discriminant, we're going to say d equals b squared minus 4ac, in which d it will be equals to, we are going to indicate this is our a, b, c. Then our b, it is minus 5 squared minus 4 open brackets, a it is 1, c it is 12, right? In which d it will be equals to minus 5 to the power 2, it is 25, minus 4 times 12, which is 48. Then 48 minus 25, 25 minus 48, 48 minus 20, 25 here, in which we have 3, 2. So we have a 23, right? We have a minus 23. So now we have found our discriminant. Then we're going to write the formula now for quadratic equation, which is x equals minus b plus or minus, then in the square root we're going to put d, because we have already found a discriminant, over 2a, in which x it will be equals to, where this b we have minus 5, so minus and minus, so we are going to say minus, open bracket, minus 5 plus minus a square root of can say 23 multiplied by minus 1, or by 2. For a we have 1, so 2 times 1, which is 2, in which x, it will be equals to minus times minus, it is positive. So we are going to have 5 plus or minus root. This is 23, and the root of negative, it is factorial over 2. Then here we have two values, in which other value it is x equals 5 plus a square root of 23 factorial over 2, or x equals 5, we are going to use minus a 23 factorial over 2. So these are our answers. So we are going to see b1, it is equals to 3, b2, it is equals to b2 it is equals to, so these answers here has got a negative, so these are reject. So remember that we let here m power 3 to be equals to b, so we have to say m power 3 to be equals to b, then b we have found that it is 3, right? Then m power 3 it will be equals to, where this b we have 3, so it will be 3 here. Then now we are going to find the reciprocal of 3, in which it will be 3 power 3 to the power 1 over 3, both sides, in which 1 over 3, right? Then 3 and 3 goes, we remain with m equals 3 to the power 1 over 3, it is same as a cube root of 3, plus or minus. So this is our answer for this question here, and these other answers are reject because they have negative. So this is where we end, where m it is equals to positive or minus square root a cube root of 3. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see your update. Thank you.